Magic-Grip hairpins can be used to create many quick and easy hairstyles. Check out our tips on how to ensure that you have a secure hold. For our secure tips, I am going to be referring to the hands of the clock, from the 1 o'clock position all the way around to the 12 o'clock position. Due to their unique patented design and superior lock and hold, Magic-Grip hairpins can be used in any direction to secure a hairstyle. Therefore, they can be inserted into hairstyles from any position in the clock for a secure and comfortable hold. A half updo can be secured from the 6 o'clock position. A side twist can be secured from the 7 or 8 o'clock position. A French twist can be secured through any angle. And the same goes for a bun. See which angle best suits you and your hair and the style that you are wanting to create. Let us know if you have tried our Magic-Grip hairpins and what your favorite hairstyle is in the comments below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.